everyone, welcome to Infinite Knots. And in today's video, we will learn how to do half double crochet. This is a beginner friendly video. So before starting this video, if you are a complete beginner, just go back to my previous videos. There I am teaching you how to do a slip knot. This is a slip knot and very beginner friendly video that is. So slowly I'm teaching you there how to do a slip knot and also chain stitch together in one video. I'll give the description here, so you can check out that video first and then come back to this video. So the basic stitch will be very much clear for you, which will help you for doing the half double crochet. So I'll do a chain first here. So just for showing you guys how the double crochet works, I'm doing in some number of chains. In some cases of projects, you have to count the number of chains and then start doing your double crochets. So here I have done 8 to 9 chains. Next, how to do a double crochet. For doing a double crochet, first you have to yarn over. That is the first process. Then what you have to do, you have to leave first 2 chains. The first chain under the hook and the next chain. So 2 chains you will leave and then your hook goes through the third chain. So this is how you have to do. First step, yarn over. Second step, leave the first 2 chains next to the hook and you have to hook through the third chain. So this is my third chain. So I have yarn over, then my hook goes through the third chain like this. Slowly, then you have to pull through. Again, what you have to do, you have to yarn over, and then pull through the 3 loops together. Okay, it's okay guys, it happens sometimes. Balance your yarn in the hook properly, so this you can reduce this happening. Okay, next what we are going to do, yarn over, but from the next stitch we are not going to leave any of the chain. In each chain we are going to do the double crochet. Yarn over and hook through and then pull through the working yarn, and then what you will do, yarn over again and then pull through the 3 loops together. So the main thing what we will be forgetting is to do this yarn over before hooking through the loop. So don't forget that step. That is a main step for a half double crochet, so that you will get 3 loops on your hook like this, pull through. So you should not forget for doing a yarn over. Okay, I'll show you. So you should not forget this step, yarn over, and then to the next chain you have to put your hook. So your hook goes through the next chain and then again you have to pull through and then yarn over and pull through the 3 loops. So as I always say, take it slow and practice for handling the yarn and hook together. Maybe in the beginning you can not do it so fastly or continuously. Your hook goes out of your yarn, happens. But always try to balance your yarn and hook. All these things will happen only through practice. So yarn over, this is my last loop. Yarn over is the first step. Next I am putting my hook through the side loop slowly like this, and then again yarn over and pull through. Next again I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the 3 loops. So here I complete my double crochet. Always half double crochet is bit taller than our single crochet. So for more videos like this, please do subscribe my channel and support, like and share. So bye. We'll see you on the next video.